How do you install one of these ram mount X grips on your motorcycle? Well, first, you need to have this little piece. It comes with like 3 different sizes, and you pick which one's going to fit your bike, right? Then, you gotta find a spot here to install it, right? Well, obviously, this is not really enough gap for this guy. So, we're left with only one spot, really. So, we unscrew these, because obviously we can't fit with this together all the way through. So you take the little nuts off, and be careful not to lose them, because if I remember right, they only give you the 2, and the same threads for all the different deals, but they have 3 different one of these, obviously one of these, because those are the biggest pieces. So then you want to put this, so that way it's more gentle on your handlebars. Shove it through here. Be careful, because there's a plug right there. Well, at least on the Ninja there is. So you can only go up about, oh, it doesn't even really fit, really. Well then, that's kind of a bummer. So, just get in there the best you can, I guess. It's really all you can do. Make sure it's not pushing up against anything important. Put the one screw on, or nut. Make it hand tight. Put the other one on till you feel some pressure. Just try to get them on the best you can. Take an 11mm wrench or socket. Probably just one of these, because I had to use the open end. Then just tighten that down. Now you don't want to do it super tight, because obviously it's plastic and you don't want to break everything. Make sure it's on there really good, because obviously this is going to hold your phone, and you do not want that coming off. There, that seems on there pretty good. Then you take this guy, unscrew this tab here. You have to do it pretty good for the smaller bit. Take this out, that makes it easier. Clamp it on there. Clamp this guy on here. Adjust it the way you're going to want it. I believe I'm going to want mine about right here. Tighten it down pretty tight. Now with my bag, I'm going to have to be charging my phone while doing this, and I don't have a deal in my motorcycle to do it. So then, let's see here, let's put that guy right there. Obviously, keep your tank bag closed. Try to put in any excess cord, because you don't want that getting in the way, but you want to leave a little bit for turning. So then, get on your bike, hold up, find out where you want this. I'm going to want mine about right there, so that way I can see it in the daytime. But that's it. That's how you install a ram mount on a Ninja 250. Alright, thank you.